In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item on eBay quickly and efficiently. Whether you're unsatisfied with your purchase or it arrived not as described, returning an item is a straightforward process that I'll walk you through step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident about navigating the return process on eBay, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the homepage where you'll find the My eBay drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options provided, select Purchase History. This section lists all the items you've bought, making it easy to manage your orders and track your purchases. Now, look through your purchase history to find the item you wish to return. Once located, you should see an option to the right of the item that says Return this item. Clicking this will guide you to the return request process. Here you'll need to choose a reason for your return from a list of options, such as whether the item was defective, not as described, or if you simply changed your mind. Take your time to select the most accurate reason, as this helps the seller understand your situation better. After you've stated your reason, follow any additional on-screen instructions. Sometimes eBay or the seller will provide a prepaid return shipping label, which is especially useful. If a label is provided, you'll want to print it out right away. In cases where there's no label offered, you'll need to arrange the shipping yourself. It's wise to compare prices and choose a shipping method that suits your budget and timeline. Packing the item securely is crucial. Make sure you use a sturdy box with enough cushioning to keep the item safe during transit. Reusing the original packaging is often a good idea, but don't hesitate to add extra padding if necessary. Be sure to affix the printed return label prominently on the package and then take it to your chosen carrier to be shipped back to the seller. Once your return shipment is on its way, it's important to keep an eye on it. Use the tracking number, which should be provided on your shipping receipt, to monitor its progress. This step is vital, ensuring you know when it has been delivered back to the seller. Stay in communication with the seller throughout this process. A quick message saying that you've sent the package can go a long way in maintaining a good relationship. Finally, after the seller receives the item, they should process your refund. Keep checking your eBay account or bank statement to confirm when the refund comes through. And there you have it. You've successfully returned an item on eBay. Being patient and proactive will guarantee a seamless experience. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on eBay.